Hey, what's up? This is Matt from GoTherax. You have probably had shoulder surgery or injured your shoulder recently because in this video, we're going to be going over pendulums. So pendulums is a great exercise to loosen up a shoulder, especially right after shoulder surgery when you really can't use the shoulder, but you want to get it loosened up. You want to start getting those tissues moving. And so we do it like this. So with the pendulum exercise, I can have the foot here in behind. I'm going to lean over and brace on something, so I have a box here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to then move around. My left shoulder is the one I'm working on. I can either shift back and forth and just allow gravity to move it back and forth, or I can shift side to side and let gravity move it side to side, or I can kind of shift around in a circle, bring it around in a circle, reverse it. Trying to do this a little bit without really using the muscles. As I get stronger, I might actually do it actively with the arm itself, moving it in and out, and in circles. The key to pendulums is that right at the beginning, we want to use the body to get the arm moving. And then as the pain subsides, as the tissues get a bit stronger, then we start actually using the muscles to work it a little bit. This is a really low level exercise that if you're doing this, we're doing it because you really can't do much else. So keep that in mind that if you're doing pendulums, they shouldn't be a challenging exercise to do muscularly. It should just be an exercise to get a little bit of movement in that shoulder, get those tissues moving, and hopefully get you on the road to feeling better. Thanks.